Hello, I'm Reshma Sheikh from Kiswas Beauty Salon. Welcome to my channel on YouTube. This is my first tutorial where I'm going to show normal makeup which can be done every day. So let's start. The first step, that is cleansing. We do it usually with baby wipe. So we are wiping our face now. Second step we do is cleansing. You're supposed to use a very good cleanser. So you need to cleanse the skin with a cleanser. After cleansing, we need to spray water on the face and clean the face with a tissue paper so that the remaining cream has been removed. We need to apply a sunscreen which is SPF 30. I believe this sunscreen is a very good sunscreen where myself I don't use any foundation. I use only this and I use a compact powder, and this is the result. At present I've done makeup, I have not used any foundation. I've used this sunscreen, which is a Fusion, which is a medicated sunscreen, and after sunscreen we need to put only the compact. But today we are going to do a proper tutorial, that is after sunscreen we need to apply a Fit Me foundation which is Maybelline. Just one pump. SPF, when you apply on your skin, it gives an even tone. So SPF which I have recommended is Fusion, which is the best. Viewers, if you want to buy, you can please come to Kiswas Beauty Salon. We have stock with us and it's easily available with us. So after sunscreen, we need to apply Fit Me foundation, which is, her shade is 228. Double 28 Fit Me foundation is this client's shade actually, because it's a wheatish tone. You can have a look. Fit Me foundation, which is 228. Apply into dots and spread it with a sponge. This is a beauty blender easily available in market. If you want to buy, you can even I have with me at Kiswas Beauty Salon. The sponge should be so soft and it should be damp. So spread it all over the face with the beauty blender. The procedure for blending is, you should blend it like this. You make up a daily makeup. The coverage with Fit Me will not be 100%, but it will give you 70% coverage because it's a daily makeup. It's not a waterproof makeup, but it stays for at least 2 to 3 hours. I think we need more, so we'll use little more on her. You can see the difference before and after. There's a lot of difference on the skin. Very little was needed, not more. The way of application of the foundation should be like this, dab dab dab. You can even press so that the foundation is covered properly on the skin. Don't forget your ears and neck, because it can show the discoloration after you apply the foundation. As we are doing a daily makeup, you can see she's got open pores, but that will be on my second tutorial, which will be a waterproof makeup, that is a wedding makeup or a party makeup. But today we are just showing the everyday makeup, so we are not using any pore filler on her. We are just doing a basic makeup today. So we have finished doing her foundation. After that, we need to do concealing. The foundation, we are using concealer, which is Maybelline shade number 20 Sand Sable. It's a concealer camouflant, very good concealer. So you can apply under eye, because she's got a lot of the under eye circles. Here, where some marks on the nose tip, upper lip. Now you have to blend it with a blender. You can see her dark circles have not covered, so we need to apply a little more. The makeup should not look cakey, so the amount of foundation and the concealer should be very less first. Then if you need, you can apply more. So now dark circles have been covered. After this, we need to apply Fit Me compact, which is number 235 in the name of Pure Beige. Take a brush, fluffy brush. First apply under your eyes. Then on the cheeks, then forehead, nose tip, and last your neck. Even the compact should be applied in very less quantity, otherwise the face will look chalky. Can you see the difference? There's so much difference in her skin. Dark circles have covered, the face looks even, and just blend the excess powder which is there on your face. After this, we have to do eyeshadow. We'll start the eyeshadow by applying a concealer on the eyelid. Again blend it with a beauty blender. Use a nude shades on her, because we are not supposed to do very heavy makeup on her, because it's a daily. First a lighter shade to do as a base, then little brown. You can have any palette which will be in nude. Lighter brown shade at the corner, which is called crease. You need lot of practice, so after watching this tutorial you can always practice. That is, the corners will be done with a light brown shade, very less amount, then little darker than that. Always remove excess makeup from your brush by dapping or by doing like this on your palm. third shade which I'm going to use is a very light pink shade, which will be on her eyeball. This is a nude eyeshadow which can be done every day, and people who don't like too much of makeup. Then a little shimmer, on the eyeball. Last but not the least, this shade on her eyelid. Very less amount of. We are done with the eyeshadow. Now we'll use eyeliner. After eyeshadow, I'm using an eyeliner on her, which is a Maybelline eyeliner, which is the best eyeliner for daily use. From the corner, then the middle, after eyeshadow, I'm applying a blush, which is a very light color brush. It should be upwards in very less quantity. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show contouring, concealing, everything now, but this is a daily makeup, so we have done only blush on her. After blush, we'll do kajal. Now we'll use mascara. Applying mascara, which is Maybelline mascara, Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof mascara from Maybelline. Okay, so the application should be make the client look middle. You can see the volume, it has increased than before. You can see very good volume. After mascara, I'm applying lipstick on her, which is Mistral of Milan, which is my favorite lipstick. It's an organic product. Even this is easily available in Kiswas Beauty Salon. It has got no animal fat in it, and it is a very safe lipstick where you can apply every day. It's a long wear lipstick where I'm applying two shades together, which is Cinnabon and Pink Paradise, which is 009 and 003. Before that, I'll line her lip with a lip liner, which is again Mistral of Milan, which is Ultra Defined Lip Liner in shade of red. The lipstick is very buttery and it's long lasting. As I said, it's my personal favorite as it is an organic product. It has got no animal fat in it and the shades are very good. After Cinnabon, I'm applying Pink of Paradise on it, which can be used as a daily base. As I said, it's very safe. I'm going to shape her eyebrow which I'm using a very normal brush, which is a Camlin brush, flat brush, number S67, synthetic hair, for water poster and acrylic colors. This brush can be used for eyebrow shaping. I am using a eyeshadow which is in brown color. Any eyeshadow which is in brown color can be used to shape the eyebrow. So the eyebrow shaping should be done. The corners, then fill the eyebrows in the middle, then the tip, the ends I mean. You can see the difference between this eyebrow and that. Again, start with the corner, then fill in the middle, let me give you a tip today. Like, you don't need to have a eyeshadow palette with you. You can have any eyeshadow palette where you can use a dark brown shade and shape the eyebrow. That is, I'm using this shade, that is the darkest brown, and shape her eyebrow. Hair ironing, which looks very good on her makeup. So we have done ironing and I'm just scrunching her hair and use some spray so that it stays on place. You can comb the hair with a brush. Before makeup we had just done little ironing on her, so I think so some touch up is needed. Just brush her hair and just a touch up of ironing so that it gives a neat look. We are just doing some touch up. Hope you like the contents. Please do like my video and subscribe my channel on YouTube, that is Kiswas Beauty Salon. I'll come with more new videos, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.